And the police say domestic violence continues to push up murder figures in St. Elizabeth. 19 murders have been recorded in the parish so far this year, compared to 8 for the corresponding period last year.
With over 61% of all those relating to domestic violence, this is another such case, as we want to appeal to the citizens of this parish whenever there are issues that there is a domestic violence center in the parish, and use the resources. Professional counselors are there, are quite capable of helping you to go through your challenges instead of resorting to violence.
If something go down, walk out angry and don't take it your life. Don't take it your life. No. Don't take your life. Everybody got to count it.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Northwestern Andrew Morris has condemned the incident, noting what he knew the deceased personally and she was a supporter of his political party.
Our government will be supporting the domestic violence bill in an effort to ensure that all perpetrators of domestic violence are brought to the books. We're also saying to the community that while we account for the perpetrators, we want to support the victims, the loss of life at this time, and the victims' family and friends who are currently suffering.